Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started with the recipe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Now tonight we're going to be doing some baking. We're going to be making some red velvet cookie bars. Now I'm going to show you what you need to go ahead and start this. You're going to have some milk, you're going to have some butter, we're going to do some white chocolate chips, you're going to need a red velvet cake mix, you're going to need a large bowl with a large egg, and you want an 8x8 pan that you're going to go ahead and put parchment paper and spray it. And then the icing is going to consist of some powdered sugar, some butter, some cream cheese, and some milk. And then we're going to put some sprinkles on top to make it look pretty. So let's go ahead and get this started. Now, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead and whisk up my egg. And then we're going to go ahead and put in the cake mix, and then our butter and some milk. Now this is going to be a thicker batter, which is fine because that's what you want, because these are going to be cookies instead of a cake. And then you're just going to want to stir this all until it's all incorporated into the mix. This is a great recipe if you like a red velvet. Now you can use other types of batter if you'd like instead of the red velvet, but this is what we're going to be doing this evening. And this will be a pretty recipe if you want to make it for the holiday. So it'll be festive looking and it's going to taste delicious. All right, so you just want to make sure you get it all mixed in well. Now you can actually use the milk chocolate chips in this if you prefer instead of the white chocolate. The white chocolate just makes it look a little prettier, but the taste is, you know, your preference. So we're going to use the white chocolate chips this evening. All right, when I get this mixed up, like I said, this is a very thick batter. And then what you're going to do is once we get all this mixed in good, is we're going to put about 2/3 of this batter in our pan that we've already got prepared. And then we're going to put our chocolate chips on that, and then we're going to put the remaining batter on it. All right, so let's go ahead. I think I got it pretty well incorporated here. All right, let's go ahead and put in about 2/3 of this mixture. Like I said, it is super thick, so you're just going to have to kind of plop it in your pan. Let me set this down. And then we're going to try to spread it out, and then we're going to put the chips on top of it. And then, of course, we're going to put it in our oven. We're going to bake it between 20 and 25 minutes. You just want a toothpick to come out clean. So once that's done, you're going to let your cake cool down. All right, let's get this spread out. All right, and then what we're going to do, like I said, is put our chips on it, and then we're going to put the rest of the batter on the top of it. All right, let's get this one. And this is a quick and easy dessert you can put together. If you're going to have a get-together for a holiday party, you can get this mixed up and have it ready to serve. All right, let's go ahead and put some chocolate chip, or the chips on, the white chips. And you just want to cover the top. There's no rhyme or reason to how you put them on. And then we're going to put the rest of our batter on top. And then we're going to put this in the oven. Now it's not going to look great, but it'll bake out even once it's in the oven. And then we're going to put the icing on the top, and then we're going to put some sprinkles on it so it'll look really pretty. All right. I'm going to get the rest of this batter on this cake. As you can see, you're just going to smooth it out over the top. And I'm going to put this in the oven. And we're going to come back. We're going to let it cool down once you get it out of your oven. And then we'll come back and we'll show you how we do the icing for this cake. Okay, y'all, we got our cookie bars out of the oven and we have let them cool down. Now let's go ahead and get the icing made for the cookie bars. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put in our powdered sugar in with our softened cream cheese. And we're gonna put in some milk. And then we're gonna have in some butter. And then you're just gonna mix this until it's all incorporated into the cream cheese and it all mixes up well. And then we're just going to top our cookie bars. You want to stir these up really good till it's all mixed in. And then we're going to put it on the cake, and then we're going to put some topping on it to make it look pretty. And this is going to be a delicious, really good recipe for y'all to try. All right, let's get this beat up a little bit smoother. Just want to make sure it's all blended in really nicely. And then we'll get this on the cake. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. Just going to pour it over the top. And then you're just going to spread it around. Like so. And then we're going to put in our sprinkles. All right, let's get that done. A little bit more icing here. All right. Now, let's get the sprinkles on it. And there you're going to have your red velvet cookie bars. I hope that y'all will actually try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications for upcoming videos that I've got. I hope that y'all have a wonderful evening, and thank y'all so much for watching.